Just stumbled down these stairs right there. And I found another elevator here at Green Street in downtown Houston. But something bad happened while I was here. So, may not be what you think, but the glass elevator was sadly out of order. But luckily right here, this one works because this is the only functioning elevator at this shopping center that serves for 3 floors. There's a directory right here. That's some office space. It's very close to it. It's hot, it's so humid today. And we're not even in April yet. Today's March 29th. And I'm sweating just from walking in here. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I didn't catch that on camera. Someone slept, someone's behind. Looks like these people are gonna take a ride with me. Let's take this thing so long. I think it should already be here. I should probably pause the video until the rides. Oh, it's finally arrived. The chime doesn't work. Looks like these people aren't getting on. It's 3 locked, or can I actually go to it? The race just burned out on both sides. Also burned out. This is a lot for Schindler. Ooh, that was cool. Saw a staff member right outside the door. This thing probably needs an H Express mod, not gonna lie. Someone's probably bugging me with that same phone call. Not gonna say who it is though. This person whose rear end got slapped. Watch this thing close up. That'll be it. Kind of mid.